What's going on, Craftinistas? I wanted to show this goodie bag guide that was available at Tuesday morning a little while back, and if you bought it, that's great and that's dandy, but not everyone was able to find it, so I just wanted to share real quick. I'm always checking Amazon, and they actually have this right now for $9, and it's not the price they had at Tuesday morning, but that's pretty darn close. And I just wanted to share for those that weren't able to find it or don't have a Tuesday morning. I really like this little guide. I'm going to insert a clip of how to use it. It's really simple. Now that you've seen how to use the tool, what I did was I had some stashes of paper that I had actually a few pieces of this wrapping paper, and they had just a little bit on the roll here, a little bit on the roll here. I don't know why I had 3 daggone rolls of this paper, and it wasn't that much on it. And as you can see from the clip, you just need a little, just a little bit of size. And not every time I got it exactly even. Now, if you're going to use a thin 12 by 12 sheet of paper, then, and I say thin because it won't work if your paper is a thick cardstock. But if you're going to use a 12 by 12, a thin sheet, then of course you have your guides here, like you've seen in the video. You have your guides there, and you're going to be able to lay that down and get a nice even cut. But even if they aren't so even, just like me, just making myself a little stash, it really doesn't matter. They really come out pretty good. And if you're really pristine on look, the edges are not that bad. So I really like this tool, and I just wanted to share that for me, I like it with the wrapping paper. I have a big stash of it. Like I said, I had a little bit of rolls of this and that, and I just wanted to make my little stash of bags. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some ribbon and I added some tape to the back, and all I'm going to do is, of course, take that off and apply it to my bags and store them flat here so they'll be ready to go. Then all I have to do, of course, you know, is pop a little flower or something like that on there. Put a little tag, or just wanted to give that heads up that that was available on Amazon and it's at a pretty good price and it's still available. And wanted to say that because there's always, being a crafter, there's that one tool out there that you say, you know what, I should have got that, you know. And for me, it is, I'm gonna put this out there because y'all know I keep it real. It was the Prima Distress tool. It was a light teal blue looking color. Yeah, kind of like the little darker teal than that tool that distressed. And I was like, I don't really do distressing. But it distressed, it lightly sanded, it had a bone folder on there, and now I'm salty because I didn't get that tool and I was looking at it. So I just wanted to share that this goodie bag guide is available on Amazon, and if you're interested, it's at a good price. So see you later, Craftinista.